Hi team, my name is Ashwarya, and in today's video, we're going to see of how to create an environment using an API. We have platform Atomsphere API, which can help you do certain tasks, out of which one of them is creating an environment just using an API endpoint. So here is the post request that we're going to make on this object. So the endpoint that we're going to be using is environment. Uh, and here is the account ID where you're going to give the account ID of the Boomi platform that you want to create the environment in. You've authenticated it via your normal username and password that you use to log in into Boomi. This is the whole URL. After that's done, we have to pass in request body of what we want to create. So here I will pass two parameters, out of which the first one is the name. What name I have to give the environment. Here I'll type in my name, of course, by removing these brackets. The second parameter that I'm going to pass in is classification, which is going to be either prod or test. So which classification of the environment I would like to create for this run. So now let's go ahead and look at one of the examples that I have created here in Postman. Here's the same endpoint that we were talking about. I've replaced my the account ID by my account ID where I'm trying to create the environment in, and the endpoint is environment. Here I've passed the authorization. The request here I'm using is post, and currently I do not have a test environment in the account. It depends on what type of licensing and how many environments you can create in your account. So currently I don't have a test environment, and I would like to create an environment which is called my test environment, the name of that environment, and the classification I would like to have it as test, as I already have one prod. So as soon as I hit send, it will give me a 200. If everything is correct, it would give me a 200 okay, and it would give me the environment ID that it has created, the name that we just passed, and the classification. So now if I navigate to my account ID, if I refresh it, I should have the same environment created with the same environment ID, which matches in here in Postman. Yep, this is the one. So I hope this helps. This process makes it really easy to create environment using an API. Of course, we also have the UI where you can create from this drop down, creating an environment, but this is another way as well. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.